Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to FinBear channel. Today is Sunday, June 27th, and we are about to go over Sundial Growers, and their stock ticker is SNDL. We're getting ready for the trading week, so we're just going to do a quick technical analysis update as to what happened last week and what we could expect for the coming week. First and foremost, what a way to close the week. My goodness, we hit over $1. I was so excited. If I wasn't on the road, I would have been posting more videos, but very, very exciting. And what I see here, I like to zoom out before we zoom in. Here's our daily. Yes, it looks like we're coming down, but look at this. We're coming back strong. Look, our volume is coming up. Yes, we've been down the past 2 weeks, but I think we're going to see a change in momentum, which we definitely need. This could possibly be a tulip action happening. I wish this was a little bit higher and more level. It's a little bit wider, but I'm okay with that. But I really like what's screaming to me is look at that Stoch. 21 over 12. 21 over 12. That is a nice gap. Look at these other times when Stoch went back up again from being at the bottom, working its way up. Now, granted, this was a long, long one to get through, but we did finally make it. I don't think we're going to have that same situation here because look at how strong that movement is versus the separation of the Stoch here, because I'm at the bottom, it's doing that. If you can look at the Stoch, we don't have many other situations where it did that except for right here. Look at that strong run that it made. Or look here, the strong run it made midway. So this is a good sign to me. Even though this RSI does look a little down, I still think we've got some upward momentum going. We are still in bullish territory. We are at 50.80. We're right on the line between bearish or bullish. And we already know I'm bullish. So that is the bigger scale of things. Let's dive in a little bit deeper and let's look at the hourly. So Thursday and Friday were not kind to us. They weren't, but you know what? It's okay. When we redline, we got to pull back and switch gears so we can keep on gunning. What I like though about this is that we did not lose all of our gains from the week just in those 2 days. We got to think about that when we see these red days. Like, it's okay. Look at where we came. We are rebounding and coming back. These are huge engulfing candles. This is huge. This is huge. This is huge. This is huge. And these candles that are coming down, not a single one is engulfing. Not a single one. That's okay. So here we are about to touch down on that green line, which we already know is a support line of 95 cents. And look, the Bollinger Band is at 95 cents right now. So that is a good, strong sign that this is a strong area of support as it held for us before it went down. I think this time it's going to be support before we continue our next movement upwards. Very exciting, makes me happy. Let's see what the RSI is at 42.43. That is okay. Look at this upward momentum we've had going on. It's okay to have a little bit of dip right now. I think that means there's plenty of room for us to reverse. Don't be shocked to see possibly today, or Monday, I apologize, a nice engulfing candle showing our continued trajectory upward. What we see here on the Stoch is starting to flatline, and it has been flatlining the past day, which is at 1206, which is under 15.33. But it's okay. It's all right because look at how low it is. It is an oversold territory, which means it is ready for a reversal. Don't be surprised if we see that possible engulfing candle because look at this. Look at how small. Look how small these candles are. Even though the average volume was high, there was a lot of selling pressure, but it didn't do much. Those are small candles compared to these things happening, right? So for me, what that's telling me is that there's a lot of indecision happening right here. A lot, which means that any strong bullish momentum will overshadow these because an engulfing candle takes over the 3 previous candles. These 3 are so shallow and so short and small. I would not be shocked to see a candle go all the way up to here and take out the previous 5 candles and make a strong push back to dollar territory. And that will make that Stoch wake back up. That will get the RSI kicking again, and we are back to making more money. That is my update on Sundial. I hope it was useful to you. Let me know what you thought of this and what you're seeing in the charts. We all got to work together. You guys might know some news that we don't. Share the wealth, share the knowledge. We are the 99% trying to take down the 1% so that we can have that wealth transfer, so we can stop just being in that hamster wheel, just trying to pay our bills. We want to not have to live that life anymore. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I hope that you had an amazing weekend and that you're ready and you're jazzed up, reinvigorated to hit this trading week and hit this life as it's meant to be. Do great things, have an amazing week, and let's go make some money.